Hi guys, so I film videos on almost a daily basis, and no, it does not take me hours to set up and get ready for the shoots. It only requires 5 minutes to complete the entire setup, to do my hair, my skin, my makeup, everything. It all comes together in just 5 minutes. That's one of the reasons why I'm able to film videos on a daily basis. And I'm going to take you through the entire process of how I get my setup ready, how I get ready for the camera, etc, etc. So let's begin with getting ready first before I take you through the setup. So I just came out of a shower and this is me. I have already worn the top that I'm supposed to film in. So the first thing that I do is obviously wear whatever clothes that I want to film in. And secondly, I start with my hair. So I'm just going to open up my hair first, take the middle partition because that's what I usually wear, and then just comb through my hair to get rid of any tangles and to make my hair frizz free. So usually I just comb through my hair and that gets rid of all of the knots and the frizziness and makes my hair so smooth and silky. But just in case if my hair feels very dry on a particular day, or if it feels very frizzy, only then I go in with a hair serum, and I also use a heat styling brush to just tame down the frizziness. But otherwise, on a regular basis, I don't really require a lot of heat styling because my hair is already silky naturally. So that's it that I do for my hair. But another important step that I really do, not just to groom my hair, but to actually take care of my hair, is to use a hair growth serum. This is the one that I've been using consistently for the past 3 months. This is Bare Anatomy Hair Growth Serum. This one has so many benefits all in one because it helps to reduce my hair fall, it helps in growing back my hair, and it also helps in reversing the hair thinning and making my hair more dense. So I just take a few drops of this and apply it on my crown area where I have a little bit of hair thinning going on. I've been using this one consistently for over 3 months now, and I've seen a huge difference. The formula is so lightweight, it's absolutely non-greasy, and it's so mess-free and easy to use. It's been about 5 minutes since I applied it, and as you can see, there's absolutely no greasiness. There's absolutely no wetness on my hair. It just gets absorbed so fast and it's so lightweight. That's the reason why I really like this. And it's more practical for me to use it every day, because if a hair serum is greasy, I am not going to be able to use it every day. But since this is like so lightweight and non-greasy, I can literally apply it every day, even before filming, and this does not make my hair look messy. So I've been using this one for the past 3 months now, and within the first 4 weeks itself, I started noticing baby hair growing. That's when I knew that this is actually working. So that's when I decided that I'm going to be consistent with it. I'm going to like keep using it for a long time. It's been 3 months now, and you can clearly see a difference. Here is the before and after. You can see that my hair had become so thin, and now there is some hair growth happening. So I'm definitely going to keep using this consistently for a long time, because this is actually like helping me grow back my hair, and it's also helped to reduce my hair fall, which is an amazing thing. So this is a part of my daily routine, and I make sure to use it every single day in the morning. Moving on to my skin, the first thing that I do for my skin is apply a moisturizer. I really need my skin to feel hydrated and look plump, so that's the reason why I apply a moisturizer before I do any of the makeup. And as you can see, by just applying a moisturizer, my skin is already looking so much more plump than before. The reason why my skin looks good on camera is because I hydrated really well. Now, ideally, the next step would be to apply a sunscreen, but because I'm filming indoors and there is no sun, the sunlight doesn't come through my window where I film. So that's the reason why I'm going to skip on sunscreen right now. But later on, when I, actually go down to run some errands after my shoots, that's when I'm going to apply a sunscreen. So now before I begin with makeup, I'm just going to apply a lip balm. And let's begin with the makeup now. So I just apply a little bit of concealer only on my under eyes to just hide the dark circles. And this also gives my face an amazing lift. You'll see that. So because I get ready in just a couple of minutes, I don't even use any makeup tools. I just use my bare fingers, and this does a good job, to be honest. As you can see, it's given my face an amazing lift. It's made my face look much more awake than before. I do not apply any foundation whatsoever because my skin is already quite clear. I just have a little bit of redness over here, but that settles down when I apply the blush. So for blush, I like to apply a little bit of skin tint, and I only apply like 3 dots. Blend it again using my fingers, and as you can see, it's so easy to blend when you just pat it in. And I like to take it all the way to my temples, because then that looks like a blush from within. For my nose, I just like to blend it horizontally. That gives a sun-kissed look. And for my lips, I just use this My Lips But Better color. Overall, I prefer a very clean girl makeup look because this makes me look presentable. It's like perfect for camera, and it's not too much. It's just the perfect amount of makeup that you can do on a daily basis and look really presentable. So this is the kind of makeup that I do before my shoots. And to accessorize a little bit, I just wear a pair of earrings. I like to keep it very simple and minimal, and I think earrings just do the job for me. And that completes my entire look. This is exactly how I get ready, and I think it just looks really good on camera. People always compliment my skin and how it glows so much on camera, and the real reason is just a moisturizer, a good moisturizer, whatever suits your skin, a good cheek tint that makes your skin look like it's blushing from within and not like makeup, and a little bit of concealer that really gives your face that lift. And honestly, when your hair looks good, everything just falls into place. And the reason why my hair looks good all the time is because I take really good care of it by using this Bare Anatomy hair growth serum every single day. It's really helped to grow back my hair on my crown region, and it's really helped to bring back my confidence that I was losing when I had a lot of hair thinning going on. In case if you want to check this product out, I'm going to leave it linked in the description box below. Go check it out right now. So I'm completely ready now. Let me take you through my entire shoot setup, which is very minimal. You will be shocked. So this is where I film my videos. I stand right in front of the window, and that is my entire setup. There are absolutely no lights, and I only use the natural light. Look at the view that I get while filming. I get the mountains, the sky, all of that greenery right there. I also get a little bit of city view. So the view is really good. So this is my tripod. It's this magnetic thing right here, which you can just um, stick anywhere on a glass surface, and you can easily adjust all the angles as well. So this is a very convenient way of filming, and I don't use any artificial lights. I just use the natural light. Then again, this is where I keep all of my stuff. So this is my iPad right here, where I have my script so that I can keep looking at it and not miss out on any pointers. These are all the products that I was using in the shoot. That's the hair growth serum. Then we have a clutcher and the comb that I used to remove my knots. So this is what my entire setup looks like. It's very minimal, only takes me 5 minutes, and I get the quality of videos that I do. To record my videos, I just put on this mic that I'm wearing right now. I have 2 pieces of it, so I just use this mic, and this records the audio that you're listening to now. It's a very decent quality audio, and it's pretty clear. And the attachment that comes with this mic, I just attach it to my phone. So I film on my iPhone 17 Pro camera. Earlier, I was using a DSLR, but ever since I got this phone, I think the quality even beats a DSLR quality for me. That's at least my personal experience. So I film on my phone. I also edit on my phone and sometimes also on the iPad. It really depends on a lot of factors, but this is my entire setup. This is exactly how I get ready. This is exactly everything that I do before I start filming, and it only requires like 5 minutes to put everything together, including the setup and myself, which is one of the reasons why I'm able to film every single day and release so many videos throughout the week. So if you're a budding content creator who always wonders about how to get the right quality of videos and what setup to use and how to dress up, etc., then I hope this video was helpful for you. You can let me know by simply hitting the like button, and also comment down below if you do any of these things while filming. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I will see you in my next video. Bye.